Hello guys, welcome back to another video of game development tutorials. The Meteors game. So before we start, as you might know, I do stuff outside of Scratch. In fact, Scratch is like my backup in case I lose everything. So the main engine that I use, I have it actually open right now, but you can't see it, I don't think. No, you cannot. Is Unity Game Engine, and I have recently made a game called Jeff the Square. It's still in its beta stages. But if I just open it up, it is right here. Um, and I would really like feedback on this game. I will provide the link down in the description. Sadly, right now this is only a Windows game. I don't know how to make it for Mac. The other computer that I'm using is a Mac. I've tried it, but for some reason it does not accept a .exe. So I'll try to figure that out. But yeah, I would really like it if you gave me feedback on this game. I'm just gonna show you the download process. So you just click this download button, then this screen will pop up, and then it will start to download. Right in this corner. It will just say jeffthesquare.zip. Next, you just want to click on this up arrow, say show in folder. You will not be able to see this, but this screen will pop up of the folder. So you just want to double click on jeffthesquare.zip, and then at the top, you'll see a button saying extract all. If it does not say that, there will be a pink button on top saying like extract options. Just click that and that will appear. So you just want to click the extract all button. It'll say where you want to extract it to. But it will, for me, the default is download, so I'm just gonna press extract at the bottom. Then it will just extract. Then a new page will open up, and you will just click on jeffthesquare.exe. And that will open the game. I'm just gonna delete those because I already have the game because I made it. There are a couple of screenshots. But yeah, that is all I wanted to do before we get started. So, like I said before, the link will be in the description. Okay, so last time in our beautiful game, we added Player Death. You destroy asteroids, they'll take damage, but now the asteroids will be able to destroy the player, and a game over screen will pop up. So, for this time, we will be making the menu. Making menus in Scratch is kind of easy, kind of difficult. I don't really know how to feel about it. Let's just say that it's like a normal process. But you will get used to it. Okay, so first let's make the menu screen background. So we'll just make a new sprite. We will just call this menu background. And let's just select this rectangle tool. I'm not gonna make it entirely black. Maybe saturation 0, brightness 14. I'm gonna have no outline, so I'm just gonna click on that. And then I'm just gonna drag. Beautiful. And apparently that's the same exact color as this screen. Great. Okay, I'm just gonna center this 0, 0. And now I'm just gonna use this text tool. Switch the saturation to 0, brightness 100. Now I'm just gonna click anywhere and just write meteors. I don't know if that's the correct spelling. I hope it is. Then I'm just gonna enlarge it. Maybe a bit smaller. Just like that. Then I'm just gonna add an outline. But right now it is not, but now it's not letting me click on it. So you have to click on the select tool while this blue box is still highlighted around the meteors. If it's not, if it's like this, then you can just click on the meteors text again, then click on this. Let's say maybe 1. 1 for the outline. I want this text to be a bit thicker, so I'll just say all white. Then I'll just Control C, Control V, move it over 5 spaces. So right or left arrow, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll make the outline 2. And the outline will be orange. So color 8, saturation 100, and brightness 100. Then I'll just press this backward button. So I just want to maybe 3, 4 even. 3.5. Yeah, 3.5 looks good. Okay. Nice. Okay, so that is the background. Now I'm just gonna make the play button. So I'm just gonna make a new sprite. Call this play button. Then I'm just gonna select this rectangle tool and make the outline 1 and a lighter orange. So color 13, saturation 100, brightness 100. I'm just going to click and drag to make the outline 5, 10. I'm going to make this a bit darker, so color 10. Let's also make this a little bit bigger. And now just center that. I'm just going to set the Y to -27 and X to 0, so it's completely centered. Then with the text tool, I'm just going to click on the color, then this dabbing tool, or color picker. Then I'm just going to hover over this and click it. So now the text will be the same color as the button's outline. Make this a bit skinnier. Okay, that looks good. I'm just gonna scale this down to maybe 70. Yep, that looks good. 80. Okay. Now, that's pretty much it. You can add different buttons here. Maybe like a quit button that will just say stop all. I don't know, that's kind of useless because it doesn't actually exit out of the game. But I mean, whatever. Okay, let's do the code first for the play button. So, we're going to say, when clicked, this will show. Go to the front layer, then go to where you want it. For me, that is x0, then -41 for me. Then I'll say forever. We could just leave it like this. It's not that really interactive. See that your cursor's highlighting it. So what we'll do, we can say forever, if else, touching the mouse pointer. So if the mouse pointer is somewhat touching it, then it will just set the brightness and set the color effect. We want to set the color to brightness. So say set brightness effect to 20. So now when we hover over it, it will actually look like we're hovering over it. And then next, when we are not touching it, we just want to say set brightness to 0. Do that. I'm going to add a bit more to it so it seems a bit better. So I'm just going to say when it's touching the mouse pointer, it will expand to size 885. Then when it's not touching, size 80, or the original size. There we go. That's beautiful. Or Okay, next, when the sprite is clicked, so that means when the mouse is touching it and when you click, then this will trigger. It will just broadcast a new message, and this one will be play. And then, when I receive play, this will hide. So now, when we press button, it will just hide. Okay, so now let's go back to the background. And I believe I will have to split this up into 2 parts. But both the parts should be pretty short, so yeah. I just don't really want to make like 20-minute videos. Because I know that some of my videos have been 20 minutes. I don't really like that because, short attention spans. Okay, so let's go into the menu background. Sprite, say show. Go to back layer, so the play button will appear in front of it. It will say go to 0, 0. Then to make it hide when we press play, it will say when I receive play, this will hide. Okay. So now if we go to full screen and press play, the actual game should start. Of course, when we press play, when you click, it will still see the gunshot noises, and then the asteroid will still fall. I have to press play now. It's right in the middle of falling, so we have to stop that. And that's pretty much it. So that will be left for next video. So bye guys, I hope you have enjoyed this. So yeah, once again, the page for my game will be in the description, and give me good feedback in the comments. And if it says that you cannot comment because you have to sign in, just press log in. There will be a button at the top saying log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Just do that, then come back to this page, and then just write your comment of a suggestion or feedback or whatever you want. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. So see you in the next part, where I will hopefully doing face cam. So yeah, bye, and see you in the next video. Bye.